Hazrat Ali described about success as az-zafaro bil hazmi wal hazmo bi ijabati rai. Success is associated with foresight, and foresight is the exercise of thought, and prudence warayo bi tahsinil asrar, and prudence is to hide the secrets. He said, Man sabara zafara, your patience will grant you success. He mentioned, Khuz ala aduvika bil fazli fa innahu ala zafarain. Block the way of the enemy through kindness, because it is the best success. Man awama'a ila mutafawitin khazalathul hiyalo. One who is applicant of different things, all his tactics are failed. Man istaqbala wajuhal ara'i arafa mawaqil khata'i. One who faces different opinions recognizes the places of mistakes. Akrim nafsaka an kulli daniyatin wa in saqatka ila raghaib. Rear yourself above all low-lyiness, even if these low-lynesses deliver you to your destination. He further described, "Bitawazu'i tatimu ni'matu wa bihtimalil mu'ani yajibu sudadu." Blessing is completed with humility. By sharing the burden of others, one gets leadership. Wa bisiratil adilati yukhar. The enemy is defeated by good character. Inda tanahi shiddati takunul farjato. When hardness reaches the end, then expansiveness is obtained. He further mentioned, La tash'ar kalbakal hamma ala ma faat. Don't grieve over things that have gone out of hands. Fatashghuluka anil istidadi awlima hawat. Otherwise, it will keep you away from acquisition efficiency of incoming things. He described, Man ata'at tawaniya zayya al-haqooq. One who does laziness, he wastes and destroys his rights. Iza'atul fursati ghussatun. Letting an opportunity slip away is a cause of grief. Al-lujajato tasullu rai. Stubbornness and obstinacy drives away the right opinion. He said, Man abta'a bihi amalahu lam yusri'u bihi nasabahu. He who is removed by action can't be carried forward by lineage. Al-ijafu yamna'u min izdiyad. Selfishness prevents more actions. He mentioned, He who is engaged in futility loses his goals and objectives.